I did online surveys for 1 week straight and I documented every step of the way. Despite the fact that online surveys usually pay less than the minimum wage job, all you have to do is click a few buttons on your keyboard. Plus, you could literally do them while sitting on your couch, in a coffee shop, or basically anywhere. I saw a bunch of videos on YouTube regarding this topic, but I was curious enough to try them myself. So for the next 7 days, I'll be doing online surveys to see how much you can actually earn. Now, I'm a real person that has a personal life just like anyone else, so obviously I wouldn't spend the entire day glued to my computer, so I set a limit of 1 hour per day. Alright, it's day 1 and I've been browsing through a bunch of survey sites and eventually decided to give Reward XP a shot because it offers a bunch of ways to get paid and also has some great reviews. So I signed up and started trying out different survey sites to figure out which one pays the most. It took a little over 3 hours, which was longer than expected, but at least now I know which survey site pays the best, and I've also devised a plan to earn as much money as possible on this platform. As Warren Buffett once said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, it will work until you die. So to make sure that never happens, I've opened the website loot.tv on my spare Chromebook, so it plays videos non-stop and earns me money 24/7. Once I collect a good amount, I'll cash out my earnings and redeem them on Reward XP. Now, besides watching videos and doing surveys, you can also do some offers, but I found that most of the offers don't pay for about 90% of the tasks I attempt, so I began to focus on surveys and videos only. On day 1, I've earned a total of $2.32. I just woke up and checked my Chromebook and I've earned 525 points in loot.tv, which is equivalent to around 52 cents. I cashed it in and now it's time to test whether my survey strategy was also working. So I opened up Reward XP and did a bunch of surveys in 1 hour, earning me a total of $2.31, 1 penny less than yesterday. Then for the next 4 days, I repeated this process of running videos on my spare Chromebook and doing 1 hour of surveys every day. On day 3, I earned $3.19. On day 4, I earned $2.17. On day 5, I earned $2.39. On day 6, I earned $2.83. And on day 7, I earned $3.59, bringing my total earnings to be $18.80, which is about the hourly wage at McDonald's. If you're a broke teenager searching for ways to make some extra money, I'd say this is a great method to do just that. Otherwise, I don't think earning $18 a week is going to make you any serious cash.